What if I told you the future of energy is sitting right above your head, and it's free? Imagine harnessing the power of the sun to fuel our homes, businesses, and even entire cities. Solar panels are not just a trend, they are a revolutionary technology that is transforming how we think about energy. From reducing electricity bills to minimizing our carbon footprint, the benefits are immense. And the science behind these panels? It's fascinating. They convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells, a process that is both efficient and sustainable. Join us as we delve into the world of solar energy and discover how it's paving the way for a brighter, cleaner future. Every day, the sun bombards us with free energy, more than enough to power the planet. So, how do we harness it? Enter solar panels, using science straight out of a sci-fi movie. Solar cells made from special materials capture light particles called photons, knock electrons free, and bam! That's electricity. Did you know? A solar panel the size of a pizza box can power a refrigerator for an entire day. Imagine that. A small, compact piece of technology harnessing the sun's energy to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. And it doesn't stop there. In space, solar panels have been keeping satellites powered for decades. These panels are crucial for the operation of satellites that provide us with GPS, weather forecasts, and even satellite TV. So the next time you use your GPS to find a new restaurant or check the weather, remember that it's all thanks to the incredible power of solar panels. This technology is not just a marvel on Earth, but also a lifeline in the vast expanse of space. But here's the wild part. This game-changing technology is cheaper and more accessible than ever. Imagine transforming your home into a mini power station, harnessing the sun's energy to power your daily life. You could save thousands and help the planet at the same time. Picture the savings on your energy bills, month after month, year after year. And it's not just about the money, it's about making a positive impact on our environment. Are solar panels the future of energy? With advancements in technology, solar panels are becoming more efficient and affordable, making them a viable option for everyone. Let us know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this renewable energy revolution? Have you considered making the switch to solar? And hit that share button to spread the word. Together, we can create a brighter, more sustainable future. Your voice matters, and sharing this information can inspire others to take action.